Welcome to the CrossFit Slim Fit Invitational, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Body by Tommy. Capacity crowd here at Lawrence Stadium, where the game's about to begin. Beautiful weather, just right for the CrossFit Slim Fit Invitational. Our first round will be the clean and jerk, followed by cardio. We're going to start right here at the starting position. We're going to do 15 reps of clean and jerk, go around the backpack, and go back and do another round of clean and jerk. So we're going to slow it down for you right now. We're going to start right here at the starting position. 15 reps, clean and jerk. We're going to go around the backpack, which is our sponsor, our new Poison workout. We're going to go right back to the starting position, followed by 10 reps around the backpack, 5 reps around the backpack, and that's how we're going to end this round of the clean and jerk. Our sponsor for this event is Poison, our new Poison hat. Get your Poison hat right now. Just leave a comment in the comment section below, and that way you can get your new Poison workout hat. Sexy, innovation, and athleticism starts with Poison. Okay, now we're going to begin the first round of the clean and jerk. We're going to do 15 rounds of the clean and jerk. We're going to clean and jerk the weight, go back to the starting position, clean and jerk the weight. We're going to do this for 15 repetitions. Notice how it's formed, feet shoulder width apart, and he's going all the way down in the squat position and going all the way up. So his form is amazing form. We'll do 15 reps, and then we're going to do the cardio and go right back to the starting position. So he's going up again, 15 reps. And this is a test of your strength and your cardio. He's almost done with the 15 reps. And this is a test of your strength and endurance, because you're basically just doing a clean and jerk with the weights. And it's a full body workout, you can tell. So he knows how he just keeps going on, and you just gotta keep going until you get to the 15 reps. So you just keep going on, and it's the strength of your cardio. Now he's going around the backpack, sprint around, and go right back to the starting position. Now you're gonna grab the weight again. Now we're gonna do 10 reps of the clean and jerk. So basically, it's an aerobic workout and strength training at the same time. So notice how he's going all the way down in the squat position and pressing the weight all the way up. Full body workout. So it's a test of your strength and endurance. And notice how he just keeps going on, and his form is amazing. Usually at this time, fatigue will start to set in, but he still has great form with the clean and jerk. Just about winding down for this set of clean and jerk, and fatigue is setting in, but he's still being a consummate professional and a consummate athlete, running back, sprinting I should say, back to the starting position and going back to another round. And now for the final round, we're going to do 5 reps of the clean and jerk. Fatigue is setting in, as you can tell, but you gotta keep going. This is why they call it the Cross Slim Fit Invitational. Only the strong will survive. And let's see how far he goes. And there he goes. He's completed the first round of the clean and jerk. Let's go to the videotape. He grabs the weight, and notice his form is very strict. Now usually at the third round your form gets a little sloppy due to being tired, but notice how he goes all the way down, presses the weight up, goes back all the way down, and he presses the weight up. People here cheering right here, capacity crowd right here at Long Stadium, and they know an athlete when they see it. Know how he's pressing the weight all the way up, bending down, squat all the way up. Now we're going to round 2. And with round 2, we're going to do something a little different. So right now we're going to do just cleans. You're going to clean the weight 15 times. So you're going to squat, put it back in the starting position, squat again. Notice his form. He's going all the way down. And the judges will take penalty if you're not going all the way down. So make sure you're going all the way down 15 reps. He's about halfway done right now. And again, he's going all the way down. And it's a testament of his strength and his endurance. It's about winding down to the 15 reps. Another sprint around the backpack and sprint all the way back to the starting position. Strength and endurance in this round. So we're going to do another set of just cleans. We're going to do 10 reps of cleans. Notice the conditioning of this athlete. Notice the conditioning, and he's still keeping form. Usually at this point in time, tiredness, fatigue will start to set in. You get sloppy in your form. Because if you get sloppy, judges will take points for being sloppy. Now he's going back to the backpack, sprinting all the way back. Now we're going to do 5 rounds, 5 reps, I should say, of the cleans. Still keeping strict form. It's 2 more reps. And we're going to get official time on this round. Seems to be a record. We're going to go double check with the judges and see if that is a record right here at Long Stadium. So we're going to go back to the videotape and notice how his form is very strict. Notice how he's going all the way down. Goes to the starting position, back all the way down. Once again, judges will take points if you're not going all the way down at the cross slim fit. Great job. And we're going to go right into round 3. Round 3 is a little different. So basically, you're going to bend down and curl the weight. You're going to do this 15 reps. So 15 reps. So bend down and curl the weight. Again, once again, you're looking at aerobics and strength combined right here in the CrossFit Slim Fit Invitational. You're going to try to do this as quickly as possible because you are not really going against each other. You're going against the clock. 15 reps in this first round. Now you're going to sprint around the backpack. Come all the way, sprint back. Now you're going to grab the weight again. You're going to do the same workout. This time you're going to do it for 10 reps. So you're going to bend down, curl the weight. Bend down and curl the weight. You're looking at another full body aerobic workout. In this round, you should be extremely exhausted, but notice how his form is still impeccable. Impeccable form, I should say. He's getting so excited, going around the backpack, going right back to the starting position. Now we're going to do 5 reps of this workout and be winding down. Once again, you're going against the clock. 2 more reps, 2 more reps. There you go. Great workout, great round. Capacity crowd right here at Long Stadium. We're going to go right to the videotape. Notice how he grabs the weight, straightens and evens the weight out, and he's doing the workout. He's bending down, touching the ground, curling the weight up. Form is immeasurable. Watch his form. All the way down, he curls the weight up. Goes back down and curls the weight up. Great job, and we're going to get the official time. The workout gear for the Slim Fit CrossFit Invitational, Glory for All, inspired by sports, art, and the athletes who surround it. Glory for one, glory for all. Go to gloryforall.com. Now I'm going to start the next round of the CrossFit Slim Fit Invitational. Now we have actual cones, as you can see. So we're going to go around the cone one time, go back to the starting position, we're going to go back, we're going to do 5 reps of push-ups, and then we're going to do 5 reps of the clean and jerk. So we're going to go right back to the cone, we're going to do 5 reps of push-ups. And immediately go to the other side. We're going to do 5 reps of clean and jerks. Now I'm going to sprint all the way back. And we'll do another round of 5 reps of push-ups and 5 reps of the clean and jerk. Once again, you're looking at strength and conditioning, aerobics, all in one workout. Now we're going to do the 5 reps of the clean and jerk. So you're going to feel it all over your body, your chest, your arms, and especially your legs, because you're doing a lot of running and a lot of sprinting. So we'll do one more rep. Sprint all the way back. Fatigue is starting to set in. And this is going to be 4 rounds of this workout. 5 sets, or should I say 5 reps of push-ups. And go over and do 5 reps of the clean and jerk. Notice he went from the push-ups to the clean and jerk. You notice he was a little exhausted, but it's a testament of his strength and his endurance. I'm going to sprint all the way back. Notice this is a sprint because you're going against the clock. It's the final set. I'm going to move over to the clean and jerk. 5 reps of the clean and jerk. So your legs are fatigued at this time. Really your whole body, but you're definitely feeling your legs. Once again, you're going against the clock. And that's it for this round. You can go to the videotape mode. He goes around the cone, sprinting all the way back. Now we're going to sprint all the way back to the cone, and we do 5 reps of push-ups. Notice his form is strict and concise when he's doing the push-ups. Notice how his feet together, back is flat, shoulders slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Then he grabs the dumbbell and does 5 reps of the clean and jerk. Remember, judges will take points away if you're not going all the way down in the clean and jerk. 5 reps of the clean and jerk. Drop the weight and sprint back to the starting position. Now I'm going to start the next round. The next round we'll be doing the same 5 reps of push-ups followed by 5 reps of squats. So we'll do the 5 push-ups, go over to the bar, feet shoulder width apart, and we're going to do 5 reps of squat. This is an intense leg workout because remember, you're going against the clock, sprinting to the cone and sprinting back to the starting position. Here's the sprint back. And we'll go right back to the cone. 5 reps of push-ups. And we're going to go over. We're going to do 5 reps of squats. Intense leg workout. Judges will take points if you're not going all the way down. Make sure you squat all the way down. 5 reps. Run back to the starting position. We're going to do 4 rounds of this exercise. 4 rounds. This is round number 3. 5 reps of push-ups. You're going to feel this in your chest, front shoulders, and your triceps. Now I'm going to do 5 reps of squats. And this is a total leg blast. So you're going to feel this in your quads, folks. Sprinting against the clock. And this is going to be the final round. Here we go again. It's going to be the final round of push-ups. And this is going to be the final round of the squat. 5 reps. Make sure you go all the way down. One more. Come on, let's go to the finish line. Sprint our way back. And let's get the official time. And let's watch his form in slow motion. Notice he's going all the way down when he's doing the push-ups. The judges will take points if you're not going all the way down to the push-ups as well. Not only the squats, but also in the push-ups. Notice he's going all the way down. Form is excellent in the push-ups. Now he's going over to the bar into the squat position. Making sure he's going all the way down, back up, down and back up for 5 consecutive reps. And he's completing the final rep. Put the weight down and sprinting right back to the starting position. Capacity crowd here at Lawrence Stadium. Thanks for watching the CrossFit Slim Fit International while we take a look at the Goodyear blimp. Good night, everybody.